hope you like the look. Jewelry can make or break your look. Onyx and Kundana do justice to the suit. Hello everybody, this is Shefali. I hope everybody is healthy and happy. I'm looking so excited because this is yet another shopping haul. Yes, I have got you all ethnic today. The summer is right here and I have bought a pretty sum to sustain me through these summers. I wanted to share this with you also. I hope you would like my collection. I'm going to team all the dresses up with my favorite jewelry from Bling. You know why? Semi-precious jewelry, quality guaranteed from our manufacturing unit. So this is a beautiful black suit. It's so comfortable. I love the print basically. It's so good. The golden print on black. The combination is pretty cool. This is from some unknown brand once again. Hope you like the look. Isn't it gorgeous? This is for all you confident women who are so comfortable in their skin and love anarkali. I have teamed it up with Bling jewelry. These are glass beads with kundan layer. I have worn this as standalone. If you are looking for earrings, then the customization is always available. This is the second look with Bling jewelry. This has earrings also. So I'll not forget to mention again and again, these are all available at wholesale prices. Should you not wish to wear necklace and matching earrings, you can just wear the earrings or danglers. They change the entire look and make you look so girly and chic. It's so pretty, 100% cotton. Dupatta is lovely. It is also of cotton material. Just so apt for summers. 3/4 sleeves, anarkali style. Yeah, in love with anarkali style. Love the print, totally. This is 100% cotton. I've teamed this suit up with Bling danglers. Looks so sophisticated, just danglers and this anarkali suit. This is an anarkali suit with trousers. It's so comfortable, trust me, 100% cotton. Love the print, love with this piece. It is in anarkali style, but the spread is not that much that it ends up looking like a lehenga, just like it was the case with the yellow suit. That is why I love it. It has pleats also. So it is non-branded. Some people have a misconception that only branded stuff is good, but no, I totally deny this. I am buying this collection for the first time and trust me, this is so good. And the trousers are also printed. Yellow kurta with palazzos, 3/4 sleeves. This is a cotton kurta with a leheriya dupatta. I truly love the combination. It's a summery color. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. Such a nice combination, yellow and... So this is a non-branded suit, but to my amazement, this looks absolutely outstanding. So this is another set. This is pearl and glass stones. This does not have any earrings to go with because this in itself is a heavy set. So this can work as standalone. But remember that customization is possible. If you want earrings to go with it, we can make it. Jewelry can make or break your look. This necklace is making a difference to the suit, really. So last but not the least, if you want to go really simple with this suit, then you can select this chain. This is an everyday necklace piece. You might want to team this up with the rings that I'm already wearing. I like the look with this also. So this is the next look, a sea green kurta with trousers. This is from a brand called Idalia. I bought it for about 900 bucks, but since the prices are always changing, I'm not disclosing price of each and every article that I have worn, but I'll definitely put links of each and every dress, so that if you are also looking to buy one of these articles, you can just go to the link, check the price, and buy it for yourself. So this is a plain kurta and plain trousers. However, I have teamed this up with enchanting Mang Tikka. Yes, this is so adorable, looking so good. Pearls and kundan combination, outstanding. And if you are wearing something so plain, you can definitely team this up with this Mang Tikka. It would just enhance the beauty of your dress. So this is such a fresh, airy, 100% cotton suit, absolutely apt for summers. I'm ditching Mang Tikka right now and giving you more options to go with this suit. So last but not the least, I'm going to team this up with this beautiful necklace from Bling. The pendant is also in sea green color, so it is absolutely matching with the outfit. So because this is such a pretty kurta, plain 100% cotton kurta and so girly, that you can team it up with any jewelry. This time I'm wearing these danglers from Bling. I thought it would be wise to buy a couple of fancy suits like this, so that if I am attending some occasion, I do not fall short on these ethnic suits. So as you can see, this is a cotton silk suit in peach color. Love peach, off-white and golden combination is so out of this world. It's looking so sophisticated. Peach is the color which suits every skin tone, and it has trousers, apparent beige colored trousers. Talking about jewelry, I have really gone minimal because it's a heavy suit. So I have teamed this amazing kurta set with contrasting danglers. This is again from Bling Premium Collection. So this is the final look of the day. This suit I purchased primarily because of its color. It's a turquoise suit, kurta set basically, with a kurta, palazzos and dupatta. This is from Biba. So this has a beautiful embroidery here, as you can see. This is all zari work and brocade in the middle and on the borders of this dupatta. Let me tell you, the palazzos are also of brocade. I have teamed this up with this beautiful danglers from Bling. This is certainly not your everyday suit. You would have to wear it judiciously. So the dupatta is pretty big. It's an all chiffon dupatta. I love the color combination truly, turquoise and baby pink. So this is pretty much what I had to show you today. I have come to the end of my video. I really hope that you like this ethnic haul, and if that's so, please go ahead, subscribe, share and like this video. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Keep smiling, stay beautiful. Bye bye.